going to show you how to fold bedding. This fold that I'm going to show you works for all sizes. They will just end up a slightly different size at the end. And I'm going to use king size bedding to show you how it works on the largest size. So to start, we're going to fold our bedding in half, grabbing the corners and giving it a big old shake. Next, we're going to fold it in half again. And then give it a good old shake. And you'll have a really nice square or rectangle that is now a little bit more manageable. Make sure it's all flat. And then we're going to fold it into thirds. We're now going to fold into thirds again and add a tuck, starting with our neat edges. And then tuck your raw edges in to your neat edges. So that's your duvet cover folded. Then we're going to fold the pillowcases. For that, we're going to fold them into thirds. And thirds again. And then when we're done, we're going to add those to the little pocket we created. So everything is kept together. And then you can store that on a shelf or in a basket.